Review shout out time. I really love checking all of your reviews. Thank you so much. So taking it back to such an elementary way of learning made it so easy. Because apps, I love Quizlet too, but if I don't really access it on my phone, I'm gonna just forget it, right? And when my pronunciation was trash, your pronunciation not trash. The helpful little guide on each and every card came through to help me further. So easy solo or group learning, and the owner is so sweet. Oh, thank you. But hey, be confident. That's the first step in getting everything right. I had the thickest Korean accent. But really, it all involves working way your throat vowels, right? So if you really want that pronunciation focus, get my Hangul flashcards for each one of the vowel sounds to master slowly one by one, and it'll be great. And then, hey, each expression also comes with QR code-based pronunciation lesson for me to go through every expression at slow, natural pacing as well.